Okay, so I will be explaining the logarithm rule. I will be solving a problem using this formula right here. It's really simple, so I will be starting copying the problem. So fx is equal to the logarithm of x 3/2 plus 3x. Okay, so for this, to find the derivative of this problem, the derivative of x is simply in the top part put the derivative of that function, and in the bottom part just leave it as it is. So I'm gonna put it here in line. So in the first part we're gonna put the derivative, so it's 3/2 x, and then 3/2 minus 1, which is equal to minus 2 over 2, is equal to 1/2, plus, and the derivative of 3x is 3. And in the bottom we'll leave it the same, so x 3/2 power plus 3x, and this is your final answer. Okay, so now I will be explaining the problem of the quotient rule using the quotient rule, which is this one right here. So let's get started. I'm gonna just copy the problem. Is fx is equal to 2x to the cube plus 2x plus x to the half power all over 3x minus 4. So for this first part, we're gonna start finding all the derivatives. So following the formula, first find the derivative of the top part. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6x, 3 minus 1 to the squared, plus derivative of 2x is 2, plus derivative of x to the half is 1/2 x negative half power, close parentheses. And then the next part is the bottom part, because it stays the same. So 3x minus 4, and then minus, and then we will be finding the derivative of the bottom part. The derivative of 3x is 3, and the 4 is 0, so we leave it like that. And then the top part we leave it as it is, so 2x cubed plus 2x plus x 1/2, and then we close parentheses, all over 3x minus 4, and then this part will be squared. Okay, so now we'll be multiplying all these factors or functions. So derivative of x equals to 6x squared times 3x, 18x cubed, and then 2 times 3x, 6x, and then half x to the negative half power times 3x is equal to 3/2 x negative half. And then we will be doing the negative 4. So 6 times negative 4 is equal to negative 24 x squared. Then negative 4 times 2 is equal to minus 8. And then negative 4 times 1/2 is equal to 2x to the negative half power. And then for the other part, we'll be doing negative 3 times 2x to the cube is equal to negative 6 x to the cube. And then negative 3 times 2x is equal to negative 6. And then negative 3 times x to the half power is equal to negative 3x to the half power, all over 3x minus 4 squared. Then we'll be adding and subtracting the common terms. So 18x cubed minus 6x cubed is equal to 12x cubed, and then we have the squared, negative 24x squared, and then we have here positive 6x and negative 6x, but these two cancel out since one is positive and one is negative, and they are the same. So then we will be following with the half power, so it's negative 3x to the half power. And then 3 halves minus 2 is equal to negative 1 half. And then here we have a negative exponent right here, this 2. A negative exponent has to be always in the bottom to make it positive. So we're going to pass it down the x half to the bottom, so it's 1 half x here, 1 half. And then lastly, the minus 8. And this is all over again, 3x minus 4 squared. And this is your final answer.
For the chain rule, we follow this formula. I am going to solve this problem using the chain rule. We have fx equals 2x minus 3 e to the 10th power. So now we have the derivative function 2x minus 3, and we have power multiply n power minus 1. The third instruction is to multiply. And there you have the final answer.
So I will be explaining how to find the derivative with the exponential rule, which is this one. So let's start solving this problem. First, fx equals exponent of negative 3x to the 2 power plus 2x. Then derivative of 2x is 2. So first we put the function and then we multiply the derivative of the power of the function. Then since it is negative, we need to pass it to the bottom. And this is the final answer.